Ram. How are you?
Hi, I have been in between two lives, so I have no life
Wow.
left. Um,
Wow, yeah. At least
yeah,
somebody is working.
can you
Ah, okay.
can you see the sweat dripping? Uh, but ladies and gentlemen, we have this very special, very talented, super talented person who does not speak in Hindi medium. She does not speak in Marathi medium. She does not even speak in English medium. Ladies and gentlemen, she only speaks in Angrezi medium. Uh, it is a
Ah,
pleasure. It is a pleasure and a privilege to have a multi-talented actor and theatre personality and soap opera specialist. Correct?
thank you, yaar. Thank you so much.
Radhika Madan, welcome to I Am on Officials Kuch To Karo Na.
Woohoo. Thank you.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Have you? There are so many books behind you.
कुछ नहीं पढ़ती उसमें से सिर्फ शो ऑफ के लिए.
सेम मैं भी सेम ही करता हूँ. मैं मेरी पुस्तक की कलेक्शंस बताता हूँ आपको. But mine is very 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 nice. See, this is the total number of books I've ever read in my life. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. 1, 2, 3,
Wow,
4, 5, 6, 7.
a library.
This is not my room, Baba. This is my sister's room. I don't have butterflies, but see, this is how much my sister reads. So I'm obviously the smarter sibling because competition to hai hi nahi. So, but Radhika, let me start with the first question. Okay, at the top of the show.
Okay.
How do you see India after coronavirus?
I think it has taught a lot of us about. I think for me personally, I would say that my priorities are clear now. Like we all running after things जो मतलब irrelevant है अभी के जमाने में. अगर आप religion ले लो या अगर आप अभी कोई status ले लो, अमीर से अमीर बंदा, कोई भी caste का, किसी को भी कुछ भी हो सकता है यार. So I think we need to come out of this and be a person जो human हो, जो समझे, nature को भी समझे, अपने आप को इतना अपनी ईगो ना बढ़ाए, अपने आप को नेचर से कम समझे, एंड थोड़ा we need to come out of it as better human beings, I believe, because मुझे काफी वैल्यू रियलाइज हुई है उन चीजों की जो एक्चुअली इम्पोर्टेंट है.
जैसे I Am On, जैसे आज का शो, वो बिल्कुल बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Yeah.
Poor girl. I'm making her say good things about an organization that she's just got introduced to. But anyways, and according to the way the introduction went, I think this will be her first and last. But then again, coming back to coronavirus and the pandemic, what according to you, Radhika, has been the biggest positive to the pandemic?
So I can just speak for myself here. Like what I have in this pandemic is, as I told you, the value of little things. Like right now, I'm thankful that I get to eat food, a meal a day. And I've realized the value of my loved ones. We keep chasing stuff. अगर ये pandemic नहीं हो तो एक मूवी दूसरी मूवी नंबर्स पहुंच गए तो और ऊपर पहुंचो, but we forget कि what is actually important. So मेरे लिए यार it is realizing what are my priorities and just being thankful for the very little things such as roof on my head and just food that I'm getting to eat.
Food that you are getting to eat. So you're basically, the biggest positive is that you are learning how to be more grateful.
Very.
You are, for every plateful you are becoming grateful.
क्या बात.
Listen, I'm miserable at this. Yeah, I don't do this usually. I'm supposed to be a very smart, intelligent person who goes up on stage and motivates and inspires people. But since the last 60 days, I've been compelled to behave like a clown at 7 p.m. and either a little before or a little after. So then you have to bear with me. But okay, so poor girl, she's stuck. Look at her. Like her frame is frozen. She's like, yeah. But okay, so let me ask. The next question, Radhika. My next question to you is this: that on the 5th of June, we as IMON are planning. So a lot of young people all across, who are more organized than me and who make more sense in most cases, they've planned that we should start a movement to get people to sign a petition that, just like how in France, you have 2 weeks of people staying indoors and they can't step outdoors. Just like that, in order to have the environment heal, that we should do something like that. Do you think that for 1 week in our country, we should have people indoors and let the original inhabitants be outdoors? Do you think that makes sense?
It makes so much sense because I remember when the lockdown started, within 2 weeks or within 10 days, 10 days I believe, not even 2 weeks. So I live like right on the beach. So उधर पहली बार कोई
Shit, you
कूड़ा
live on the
नहीं था.
beach.
Yeah.
You live in Bombay and on the beach.
Yes. तो
How much?
यार मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी है यार, पैसे कमाए हैं मैंने यार. कमाल.
बराबर बराबर बराबर.
तो मैं पहली बार 10 दिन में एक वाइट कलर्स की एक फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स गया क्योंकि उधर कोई कूड़ा नहीं था. एंड द बीच लुक्ड सो ब्यूटीफुल, सो क्लीन. द एयर अराउंड, द एयर आउटसाइड, कोई पोल्यूशन नहीं. मतलब आप बाहर जाके सांस ले सकते हो यार. इट इज so important and I think we should do it. Why not?
I know now.
Why not?
Like these days we see dolphins in the sea. So right. So where I live, I could actually see dolphins. I'm not even joking. Like it's seriously, I could see dolphins.
Wow.
Yeah, and that's a huge plus. And we could see like the Black Panther, which I could not see, of course, because if I saw it in front of me, I wouldn't be talking to you. But but people have seen the Black Panther roaming the streets in Uti, I think, and all across the country and the world, the environment is the biggest winner. So I think all in all, this is something that as a country and as young people, I think if we learn, I think it'll be a big plus, because our environment is, it's our responsibility in order to keep the environment clean and green. Yeah.
Definitely.
See, I had to sound smart in front of you. So कुछ तो बोलना था ना यार. Otherwise, she would call up a manager and say, "यार वो कौन सा लाइव ये कैसे हाँ बोल दिया यार?" अच्छा अपनी पुस्तक के सामने आगे बैठी थी, मुझे लगा कि कुछ इंटेलेक्चुअल चीज है ये, एंड बाद में ये इंसान कुछ भी बके जा रहा था. So that is why I had to say that.
Awesome.
Radhika, the second thing that I want to ask you is, the second part of what we do is called Tum Bhi Karo Na. Okay. So, so my first completely irrelevant question is, what came first? Nepotism or the film industry?
देखो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आई तभी नेपोटिज्म आया. तो अब जो है सो है, क्या कर सकते. बिल्कुल.
और आपके सब में इंटरव्यूज देख के I researched, like I went through all the interviews. They prepared a file for me with all of the stuff I anyways knew, but then the stuff that I didn't know, they said, "Rishabh, please read, because you're very illiterate when it comes to half of the stuff." So I saw how articulately you spoke in, I think that was one of the interviews that you gave, where you said that you lost out on a role to somebody else because it was like she was a daughter of somebody in the industry. And how you took that in your stride, and the next time around, how you asked somebody to audition you, and you convinced that person, and you did a phenomenal job. I think these kind of stories speak volumes for the person that you are, and also speak volumes for the fact that young people can actually make it large.
Yeah, anyone can. It's not about young people. Anybody, any age bracket can. You just need to. You need to know where you focusing your thoughts. What are you getting affected by? That is it.
And then if you focus your thoughts well enough, remember you can reach a beach house. That also in Mumbai city, ladies and gentlemen. In Mumbai city, a house on the beach. But
रेंट पे खरीदा
now she's being अभी modesty आ रही है, अभी modesty आ रही है
अब क्या
बस. but राधिका घर बैठे बैठे क्या करे, because honestly अंग्रेजी मीडियम तो देख ली हमने, बाद में आप all the wonderful things that you've been a part of, wherever it is, whether it's Hotstar, Amazon Prime, Netflix, we've seen. Okay, so now what do we do beyond this? What is it that young people can do sitting at home?
Yeah, what I do is I make sure that I'm learning something new every day. Be it a new workout, I picked up on piano, like learning piano and learning tap dancing online. I've enrolled myself in a few acting workshops. Also to keep myself busy, I because I think this is the time जहाँ पर मैं ऐसे अगर आप एक वैसे ले तो अंदर बस डालते रहो, क्योंकि बाद में टाइम नहीं मिलने वाला. So डालते रहो, इम्प्रूव करते रहो एज अ पर्सन एंड एज एन आर्टिस्ट एंड उतना ही कर रही हूँ, उसी में टाइम कट जाता है, कुछ है नहीं. जहाँ पर ऐसा है कि गई हूँ मैं, मुझे निकाला ऐसा, अभी मैं अभी मुझे जो करना था जिसके लिए मैं बोल रही थी टाइम नहीं है, so I'm doing all of that.
So chill यार, तुम कितनी chill हो. Like honestly, one of the things that I really love about this conversation is before this, okay, so we had a very serious politician, okay, so we had like a former chief minister. She was like, very nice, very nice, very nice. Like, okay, sir. So now this is such a refreshing welcome change, yeah. But Radhika, tell me, in terms of your routine, etc. आपने तो बताया that आपको जो पसंद है वो आप कर रहे हो, correct? And that is what young people should do. They should learn one skill.
Yeah, one or more. Why not?
One or more. अरे बाबा, for people like me, it takes one skill 60 दिन लग जाता है एक स्किल के लिए.
अरे मास्टर को भी करना है, मतलब जितना कर सकते एंजॉय करते करते सीखते रहो ना यार.
थोड़ा करेंगे तो भी चलेगा.
हाँ तो भी कर लो, बट करते रहो, थोड़ा वैरायटी लाओ, कुछ खेलो.
But up talking about khelo and talking about variety, is it actually something that you as a person, you are very chill and you seem a lot of fun. So I can ask you this, okay? Do you watch a variety of shows just like us and waste a lot of time on Netflix?
Yes, of course. Of course.
Now, I'm going to show this interview to all parents who are saying, बड़े होके ऋषभ जैसे मत बनो, because you know I tell people at IIM take it easy, it's okay, watch Netflix. Then there's this one mother who came and said, ऋषभ कुछ भी शर्म है, you are telling my daughter in order to watch Netflix, it's okay. I was like, आंटी चलेगा ना, थोड़ा तो Netflix देखने दो. Like, you should be giving them work. Now I will tell them, Radhika mother also watches Netflix and chills.
डिफरेंस ये है, मेरा काम है तो मुझे देखना तो पड़ता है. तो मैं अगर मेरे पास किसी की मॉम आएंगी तो मैं ये बात तो मार सकती. क्या
ये निकालो यार, निकालो इसको, बिगाड़ दिया इसने, बिगाड़ दिया. But Radhika, honestly, what I really believe is that people should go out there and pursue their dreams. You are somebody who's actually pursued her dream. Can you narrate any one incident in your life which is the reason why, how you overcome difficulty and anxiety? Because today, in today's day and age, all of us young people are feeling very anxious sitting at home. It's like, I want to rush outside and I want to get back to my normal life. So have you ever faced that problem of anxiety today or even in the past, and how do you overcome it?
Okay, first of all, you need to, I think the main thing is to know yourself, to know what triggers you, why this thing happens, why that thing happens. That is the first thing. The second thing is that anxiety unknown के बारे में सोच के होती है कि क्या होगा, what if I don't make it, और what if ये हो जाए और मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊँ. तो you need to understand that uncertainty is a part of your life. What you need to do is you need to give your 200% and then leave it. तुम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि चलो मैं तो आधा करूँ ना करूँ, होगा नहीं होगा. Just do your 200%, know why you're doing it, and that is it. कुछ नहीं सोचो. say, I'll just give you an example. When I was transitioning from television to movie, तो 1000 लोगों ने मुझे कहा था टीवी में कि मत जा, किसी का नहीं होता है, पागल है, तेरा शो हिट है, अभी कमा पैसे, why are you doing this, why are you doing that? And I was offered a show before my show was offered. And I was like, I'm too young, I want to try for films. Really, किसी का नहीं हुआ, किसका हुआ, तो मैं I used to give example of Shah Rukh Khan. So they used to laugh at me, they used to be like, कि आएगी वापस यहीं पे आएगी.
हाँ.
And I didn't have any contacts, कुछ नहीं था, बस एक सपना था कि मूवीज में काम करना है. तो मैं आई, तो जब आप आते हैं, जब आप लाइनों में लगते हैं ऑडिशंस के, तो कितने लोग आपके आसपास बोलते हैं कि अरे इधर तो नेपोटिज्म है, एंड आप देखते भी हैं कि ऐसे आपका ऑडिशन अच्छा है बट आपको मिलता नहीं. बट कैच यहाँ पर है कि क्या आप उस चीज से अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे. आप किन लोगों से सराउंड कर रहे हैं खुद को. आप बुक से कर रहे हैं, आप मूवी से कर रहे हैं, थोड़े जो पॉजिटिव सोचते हैं, आप बड़ा सोचते हैं, उन लोगों से कर रहे हैं, आप उन लोगों से कर रहे हैं जो क्लिक करते हैं. सिर्फ क्लिक करते हैं, वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहे होंगे बट वो क्लिक कर रहे होंगे. So I was like, I need to distance myself from those people. I need to work on my craft. I'll do whatever is in my hand. मेरे हाथ में है 200 ना, और मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ, मैं इसलिए कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं enjoy करती हूँ. I have a blast whenever I'm in front of the camera. So I'm not concerned about the outcome. I'm really not concerned about the outcome. So I started giving auditions जिसमें मैं बहुत मजे करके आती थी. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता था कि किसको रोल गया किसको नहीं गया. So, and that has helped me to crack the auditions and get the project I've done. But I just want to tell all of you guys, whoever is watching this, that do something that you love. Don't compare yourself. Don't compare your journey to anybody. Just focus on yourself. Improve yourself. Improve your craft. Be a better person, and you're gonna get there. फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है.
So go and chase your dream, Baba. Just go and chase your dream.
Yeah.
I think आप बन गए, आप you have overtaken Ramdev Baba, Sadhguru, everyone. Radhika, you have reached that level. आप पहुंच गए.
जो हल्का फुल्का क्या वर्क कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे. Never stop dreaming, please.
Dream with your eyes open. Dream with your eyes open all the way. This is a subtle integration of Ronnie Guruwala's book. So Ronnie sir, if you're paying attention, when you run out of male lead actors to cast, remember there is one struggling actor who's always looking for work, who is right now talking to Radhika Madan. So whenever kuch bhi. But, I for the love of God will never even try my hand at acting, because you guys actually, the method acting, then there is acting reacting, then there's so many things like that. For aspiring actors out there, can you give some tips in terms of anybody who's an aspiring actor? What is the skill that you should have, like 1 or 2 skill sets that one must have to become an actor?
I think sensitivity and empathy. That is it. You need to feel the emotion that the other person is feeling. You need to be very sensitive. क्योंकि it's not easy कि अगर आप जा रहे हैं, आपकी लाइफ में सब कमाल हो रहे हैं, वहां पे जाके फूट के रो रहे हैं कि कोई मर गया. और ऐसा भी जरूरी नहीं है कि आपका ब्रेकअप हो गया and you need to give a scene जिसमें आप comedian हैं या whatever it is. So you need to be really sensitive, empathetic. क्योंकि अगर आप ये होंगे तो आप स्क्रिप्ट में जो कैरेक्टर है उसके इमोशन को बहुत जल्दी पकड़ेंगे. एंड बाकी सबका अलग अलग क्राफ्ट होता है यार. किसी का मेथड होता है, किसी का नहीं होता है. क्रिएट योर ओन मेथड. ऐसे मत करो यार कि मुझे ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा, मुझे वैसे ही करना पड़ेगा.
Radhika Baba ki. Whatever is correct, is so cool, so chill. Find your own method. And tell me one thing, the new normal, Radhika, is digital releases. Okay, so even your movie, all these movies have now moved on to the screen, from the big screen to your TV screens. As somebody who has made it from TV screens to the big screens, is this an entire circle, and also is this the new normal?
Yeah, why not? लाइक अब सब कुछ आई थिंक स्पेशली इस पैंडेमिक में काफी बड़ी बड़ी रिलीजेस आ रही हैं. पहले हमें थिएटर्स में आना होता था, 2 महीने बाद आती थी. बट आई थिंक फ्यूचर इज डिजिटल.
Future is digital.
फ्यूचर इज डिजिटल बट आई होप थिएटर्स खुले रहे बिकॉज वो जो एक्सपीरियंस है
I know. I know.
that experience needs to be there. But just मुझे लगता है the future is digital.
The future is digital. Achha, tell me, if not an actor, who would Radhika Madan be?
I would be a tap dancer in Broadway, and I would
Huh?
travel the world. Yeah,
And you would travel the world.
yeah, traveling
no,
the world. Yeah.
This is something that even I have in common. I love traveling here, and now being indoors, I'm stuck in one place. And पहले थोड़े दिन में तो अच्छा था, सबको फैमिली में सबको अच्छा बोल रहे थे कि हाँ ऋषभ को इतने समय के बाद वे सीखने मिला एटसेट्रा. अभी तो सब धक्के मार के घर से निकालना चाहते हैं. And we live in different flats. The best part about this is that we all live in different parts of, you know, the like different apartments, but yet they're like बस बहुत हो गया, बस अब नहीं. अभी उसका घर उसके फ्लैट पे भेज दो, इधर नहीं खाएगा वो. But Radhika, let me come to the last part of what we do. It's a fun rapid fire.
Okay.
So
Awesome.
it is inspired by Coffee with Karan, but we don't give a hamper because we are too poor. So the first question is, whenever, and you need to tell me what comes to your mind when I say the following, okay? And it has to be one word answers, ideally.
One word answers.
Or one sentence, chalo.
चलो ठीक है. Okay. Okay.
Comma, semicolon, मत डाल. Okay, so okay. When I say food, what comes to your mind?
गोलगप्पे.
When I say family, what comes to your mind?
Mom.
How sweet, yeah. Happiness.
Yeah. Cinema.
Coronavirus.
Go Corona, go.
Oh shit! Oh my god! You saw that video? You saw that video like everybody else. My god! वो क्या था बाबा? But when somebody says inspiration, what is the first thing that comes to mind?
Everybody around me.
Everyone around you.
Yeah, there's something to get inspired from everyone. Yeah, कुछ ना कुछ तो मिल ही जाता है. From my housewife to my driver to everyone. Yeah.
So Radhika Madan, let me ask you this very important question. You said सबसे आप प्रेरित हो. Everyone inspires you. Yeah.
Yes.
So how have I inspired you, Radhika?
I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. What I can see is that like
मत
mood हुए तो हर 7 बजे शाम को 7 बजे आने का काम करते हैं and मेहनत डालनी है चाहे जैसा भी हो खाया हो बस जाओ काम करो. So that is something that I'm going to pick up from you. I'm going to tell myself stop being lazy and post more content.
Yeah. No, but no quite. Yeah, high five, boss. No, quite honestly. Usually 7 बजे कभी मुझे actually boring लगता है. And you know, the second live before I started, I must tell you this. I was actually like, बस अभी बस 2 minutes. And then when you came on, you were smiling. You have this infectious energy, which is honestly something that is so positive. But before I start on a new trip altogether, let me ask you the last 2-3. Okay, so
Okay.
When someone says Irfan Khan, what is the first thing that comes to mind?
Legend. Yeah, legend. Yeah.
And when I say lockdown, what is it that comes to mind?
Lockdown. Yeah, I think just staying at home. That is what comes to my mind when I think about it.
And the second last question that I want to ask you is, when somebody says favorite film, what is the thing that comes to mind?
Jab we met.
So you're like Geet in Jab We Met.
Every girl is a Geet.
No, Baba,
In
that's
some
not.
way or the other.
Yeah.
हाँ यार, दिल्ली में तो गीत
हर कोई
हर कोई
हर कोई गीत ही है. अच्छा. और मुंबई में every alternate boy is Shahid only. No, but and it's. Let me ask you the last question. When I say IIMUN, IIMUN, which is India's international movement to unite nations. Okay. So when I say that, what is the first thing that comes to mind?
Rishabh.
Yeah! And she's only spoken to one person, so obviously one person will come to mind. But honest. Was Radhika, it's been a pleasure talking to you. But before I let you go, I'm going to,
Yes.
with your permission, ask for one question from the audience. Okay?
Sure, why not? Yeah.
Pakka? Okay.
पक्का. ले लो.
पक्का. चलो done. The one part, see, I'll be very honest, दिल्ली वालों से मेरी बातचीत बहुत कम होती है because I think दिल्ली वाले are very different from Mumbai people. But today, I really liked talking to a Delhi wala person. This has never happened. This has never ever happened. There is no, like, it's so pleasant and so nice. Not everybody else in Delhi is also very pleasant and nice, but I'm just saying.
Okay.
Ryan Das has asked, and this seems to be somewhere in the middle. What would you like to be doing in 5 years from now?
I don't know यार, कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ मैं. मतलब क्या पता एक्टिंग, क्या पता सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के टैप डांसिंग कर रही हूँ, क्या पता प्रोडक्शन हाउस खोला हो, क्या पता राइटर बन रही हूँ, कुछ भी हो सकता है. I don't limit myself for anything. I don't put myself in a box at all. तो कुछ भी कभी भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे. तो
कुछ भी कभी भी हो सकता है. This is the attitude. This is the never say die attitude, and the attitude that anything is possible. Impossible is also I am possible only, na. At the end of the day.
Exactly.
But honestly, सच में मैं सच्ची बात बोल रहा हूँ. Before you go, before you came, I actually told the guy who was helping me. I said, 2 minute break दे दो. I'll just wash my face and I'll come back. But he said, no, Rishabh, we're already running so late, and you have the tendency to talk so much anyways. So you have to immediately go. And so I immediately came, and trust me, the first 2-3 minutes, the first 1 minute when I started, and I was waiting for you, I was like, one more hour of our lives. And then you came in, and with that energy, with that smile, it was super. It just lifted my mood up, and I'm pretty sure everyone is so happy that you've made it here. Radhika Madam,
Thank you so much.
thank you for being the real life Geet.
Thank you.
As much as you say that is in abundance everywhere in Delhi, this is the first real life Geet that I am meeting on Kuch To Karo.
Thank you so much, Rishabh.
Thank you so much, Radhika, and thank you for being here.
Thank you guys. Bye.